Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm here in the Dollar Tree. Just came to browse and see what they had in store for us today. So let's take a look on the round table and see what they have. All right, so they still have these right here. Happy holidays. They have the snowman, season's greetings, season of joy. They have the little elf here, happy holidays. Let's see, the Born, Merry Christmas. And the snowman, they have those. So they really don't have too much on the round table, so we're gonna walk around, guys, and see what they have to offer us today. Let's see here, I see some things up here. Yeah, those are dog treats. So let's walk around and see what they have, guys. All right, so let's take a look. So I think we've pretty much seen all of the ornaments, but we're gonna take a look and see. I haven't seen these before. These are ornaments, the blue. And they have silver. I see gold and red. A lot of the decorative bells they still have. We've pretty much seen all of these items right here. They have this shape right here in the circular shape. Guys, look at these ornaments right here. They have the brown Santas. Look at those. Really cute. They still have the sleighs in the red and silver. They have a lot of the doors and the trucks. Ski lift. Yeah, so they pretty much have the same items. That brown Santa, if that doesn't go fast, I'm not sure what will happen. I may need to pick up a few to put on my tree. I think that's what I'm going to do. So I'm going to get 2 of these. Yeah, I'm going to pick up 2 of these. They also have the pink ornaments as well. They have the pink, and you get 5 of those. A lot of the pinks here, the pink, the beige, and the gold ornaments here. And they have a lot of Halloween items out still. A lot of the flowers. Look how pretty these are right here. Really pretty. All right, so it looks like this particular store right here, they are pretty much out of Christmas items. So they have these little boxes right here. These will go great for like baked items. Let it snow. Joy. Here's one with the red truck. Season's greetings. Noel. But they've pretty much ran out of everything in this particular store, guys. Let me put this back here. Oh, let me not forget my ornaments. So let's take a look down this row right here. So I'm pretty sure we've seen all of the hanging items. Joy to the world, peace on earth, believe in the magic of Christmas. This one right here. Sparkle and shine, it's Christmas time. They have some of the reindeers in gold and silver. Also see red. We've seen all of the tinsel items here. The bows. A lot of the garlands in silver, gold, and red. And they have a lot of these down here. As you can see, they have the truck with the tree, the house, the ornament. Still have those. And the little Christmas stockings, the hats. I have those. All right, so a lot of the little ornaments for the mini trees. I haven't seen these before. We have these ones, the red and the silver. They have the little bottle brush trees right here. Those come in the yellow, and I see silver back there. They have these ornaments right here. You get a set of 6. Holly and Jolly, happy holidays, naughty or nice, Merry Christmas. They have the trucks. The 6-feet garland. Here's some more ornaments right here. They have the reindeers, the pine cones in gold. We've seen all of these before. They also have those pine cones in that brown color there. Look how cute these are, guys. Warmest wishes. The little snowman. I might have to pick up these ones right here also. They also have these right here. I'm going to pick up these. The truck. And these ones right here. I should be all set for my ornaments because I'm getting a mini tree this year. They also have the skirts. Merry Christmas. We've seen these before. They have the garland, and this is a 20-feet one, in gold and silver and red. They have some of the mini trees as well. Here is some bike bags right here in different colors, different ones. I'm going to take this basket with me. Just going to sit that there for a minute. Have them in blue. That one, and these fits up to a 27-inch bike. So they have all of those. So they have a lot of these little plush elves on this side. They have a little boy, and they have a little girl down here. Now those, they still have some of those Christmas trees. I only see white right now. They have those. We've seen all of these things, these items right here. Here's some of the multi-round dollies right here. You get 32 in a pack. And we've seen all of these right here. I'll be Gnome for Christmas. There's no place like Gnome. And I need to pick up a pair of these scissors as well. I need to get a pair. This is my little cart today, so I won't be picking up a lot of stuff while I'm in here. So let's see what's down the candle aisle. I haven't seen any new items down the candle aisle in a while. Have a new, and they normally have candles at this time of the year, Christmas candles. I haven't seen any lately. So they have some of these metal signs right here. I see family. Let's see, I see thankful. Let's see if there's any more. I thought I saw one more, welcome. I see welcome back there. All right, so they have some nice scarves each year. Look at these juncture scarves. They have this one right here. They come in different colors. Those. They have some cute juncture bags right here. The little crossbody bags in pink. We've seen these before. They have the mask danglers right here. My birthday is February the 22nd. So they have, okay, so they have, you can put these mask danglers, and they have different dates for the birthdays. That's really cool. All right, so they have some nice socks right here. Some socks, adult socks. They come in different colors. These are by Snuggadoo. These are really nice and soft. I like the pink ones. They also have the gloves as well. So it looks like they ran out of the other socks that I came in and purchased that day. I'm not sure if you guys remember it, but my last Dollar Tree haul, if you want to check that out, you go ahead. But they have some nice hats right here by Juncture, different colors. They have the fleece gloves for men. See blue, black, and here's a white and black one here. Here's some more hats with a little puff on the top, different colors. These are really pretty. Hey guys, so I'm actually in another Dollar Tree. The first one didn't have as much as I thought they would, but I came to another Dollar Tree down the street here, so let me just see what they have here. So yeah, we've seen pretty much all of these things right here. I haven't seen the cross, that one up there. They have more ornaments than they did at the other store. They have that in gold and this tarnished color right here. There's the silver cross. Here's the red ornaments right here with the snowflakes. So they have a larger selection. We've seen all of these right here. I saw the penguin, but I didn't see the Santa one there. There's a penguin one up there. Here's some ornaments right here. Here is Santa in the red and the white hat. All right, so they have the bells, the presents, and here are all of the wall decor right here. If you guys have already seen these, if not, here they are. A lot of the tinsel items I showed you on when I was at the last store. This one right here. Okay, I've never seen this one before. But they have the camper home for the holidays, and they also have that one up there that says Season's Greetings. Here's some of the tinsel trees right here in silver and blue. A lot of the garlands in different colors. Here's some of the snowflakes, the hanging decor, the wreaths, the nutcracker. The candy canes in different colors, the green and red and the white and red. They have the bells. Merry Christmas. And they have these stars here in the silver, gold, and red. All right, so what beautiful flowers, faux plants. They have this one right here with the fake snow, the white ones as well. They have the tinsel trees down here. They have those. Here are these right here. And they have the bigger ones as well, small, medium, and large. They have a lot of the baskets there. More of the flowers. I'm going to turn around here. Here's some more of the tinsel items. A garland. This hanging decor. The red truck. And a lot of the trees down here at the bottom. I've never seen this one before. It stands out. Neat. All right, so a lot of the color your own decor, the paint sets, the tinsel stems, pom-poms. Here's the Santa, the wood ornaments right here, the color your own ones. And look at the little angels, the little colorful, the wood-shaped angels. They have those. The gingerbreads. And look at the little cute stakes here. Believe, be joyful, let it snow, be merry. Look at this, guys. They have a brown Santa, a steak. He is $1. I'm not going to get this. But if you see one and you want to put it in your yard, here it is. They also have a Christmas tree. Neat. I really like this. All right, so in this store right here, they still have some of the leg warmers in pink and the white and black. Here's some gray ones as well. And here are the little Snug-a-Doo adult socks right here. Cute. They have the fox, the little panda. They have some real cute socks, and they also have them for the babies as well. Yellow, pink, and the green. Here's some socks right here, some Christmas socks or fall socks or whatever you want to use for these. But it has a red truck. A lot of gloves. These are cute. These are for kids. And those. All right, so I'm back here on the sticker aisle. I don't see anything new. Let's see, back to school.
Can I have the purple? You want one? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you want the purple one?
All right, we've seen all of these right here. How cool are these right here? Skiing, ski lodge. You got the snow boots, the snow jacket, and the gloves. Neat. Here's someone with butterflies and birds.
You want to spend your money on masking tape? Oh.
They have some nice stickers up there at the top up there. If you can see those.
Here's like craft stuff. Oh, do we need
All right, guys, that's pretty much it over here in the Christmas section here. I didn't see these trees right here. This is red and green. Here's the gold ones. The silver ones. But yeah, guys, I just wanted to pop into another Dollar Tree since I didn't end the last one. Let's see, one of these right here. This is a ribbon. Never seen this color ribbon before. It's red, but I've never seen this design. But thank you guys so much for stopping by my channel today, and I will see you guys on the next video. I'm still mesmerized by the brown Santa. All right, guys, thanks so much for watching.